Discover the plus in 55 plus living. It's your time to be carefree. Don't want to move in with your child and their spouse? Love the grandchildren but don't want to live with them? Worry no more. Care no more about having the grass cut. Care no more about painting the house. Care no more about cleaning the gutters. Welcome to Carefree Living. Enjoy these added benefits of owning this home, plus the 2 patios it has to offer. Sit on your front side entry patio to converse with like-minded individuals, or sit on your privately fenced back patio for a more intimate setting. Either way, this home speaks volumes to enjoying the life you've worked hard for. So why not? Walk the nearby newly paved walking trail. Get to the airport in less than 10 minutes for that weekend getaway. Welcome to your comfortable, carefree community. Call the listing agent for details on Buy This House, We'll Buy Your Home program. Don't get caught owning 2 homes. Hi, Tish Williams, Realtor, with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, where your home sold guaranteed for 100% of asking price, or I pay you the difference.